Hello everybody, today in front of us we have this Blackview BV6600E smartphone, and today we are going to show how you can set the screen timeout setting to never on this device. So first of all, if you'll go to the settings, display category, and look for the screen timeout setting, or as it is precisely called at the smartphone, automatic screen off, we'll see that the maximum value that we can go for is 30 minutes. So in order to be able to set it to never, we'll use the help of the free third-party app that is called Caffeine. So let's open up the Google Play Store. At the search bar, type in Caffeine, just like that. Once the needed app is found, make sure to go for its page and tap on this green install button. Alrighty, now all that it's left to do is to open the app itself, and inside the app, make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, and that will ultimately mean that we have successfully set the screen timeout to never. So, as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not go to sleep automatically, no matter for how much time it will be in the idle status. Alright, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.